A label is the most important part of any product. It has the power to convert a simple name into an influential trademark and brand. A label is also an integral part of the supply chain process in any industry. Welcome to StickPack Private Limited. We are one of India's foremost manufacturers of label stock, pre-gum sheets, release paper, and silicone liners, spread over 70,000 square feet, well placed at the heart of the Rai industrial area. We are at a meager distance of 8 kilometers from the Delhi border. Our premier label brands are AlphaTack and BetaTack. AlphaTack has a sustainable water-based adhesive coating, whereas BetaTack is based on hot melt technology, which is suitable for tricky surfaces requiring extremely high sticking properties of the label. We are equipped with global standard production facilities. Our 30,000 square feet warehouse helps us to hold huge volumes of both raw material and finished goods at a time, with an in-house forklift for uninterrupted movement of materials. We have a jumbo 7 feet wide rewinder which can slit all the materials in imported containers without outsourcing. All our silicone coating machines are high-speed machines with an application capacity ranging from 0.7 GSM to 4 GSM, which suffice applications like general product labels, stickers, adhesive tapes, security counterfeit labels, hologram labels, conveyor beltings, food industry, and hygiene. We also have the finest quality imported 1200 mm wide hot melt coater with Nordson's online coat weight sensor, which helps to give even coatings of accuracy as high as 0.1 GSM, making it suitable for high-speed die cuts in rotary printing machines. Our Jandu Engineering water-based coaters can provide coat weight range of 10 GSM to 35 GSM, covering all low and high GSM applications. The heavy-duty, high-end master slitters can make high-capacity rolls up to 5,000 meters length per single roll, which minimizes the wastage of label printers. Also, our automatic sheet cutting machines have an accuracy as high as 0.1 mm with cross-cut protection specially designed for digital sheets cutting. All of our machines are secured with safety measures like fire extinguishers and fire sensors. StickPack's core strength is its unmatched quality standards. We have a dedicated in-house lab for time-to-time testing of the intermediary and the finished goods. Each of our product batches goes through rigorous quality tests. At StickPack, we strive to reduce our carbon footprint by minimizing wastage of resources and recycling resources. We encourage use of pollution-free PNG only for all our processes. Also, 75% of our electricity needs are met by solar cells. StickPack's long-term vision and deep focus has helped us grow into the success we are today. StickPack 360-degree gumming solutions.